Hello, hello, my friends. Welcome and thank you for stopping by this short video. My name is Robison. I'm going to talk specifically about Press One Cash today. This is going to be my review, my testimony, and I've also got some really cool bonuses for you. Now, this is a one-time, one-off program. It's a one-time fee that can continue to make you $200 multiple times a week, even a day, on a good day or a good weekend. So here's what I want you to do. Number one, I want you to stay to the very end, because at the very end, I'm going to offer you some bonuses. I'm going to give you some things that's going to help you jumpstart your Press One Cash business so that you'll be able to start bringing in these $200 a day pops, PayPal, however you want to get paid. PayPal is not my favorite, but anywho, you know what I mean. And I'll walk through the back office to show you that as well. But I encourage you to stay to the very end, and I want you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification button, because not only am I going to be talking about my multiple income streams through different videos, I'm also going to share with you some different techniques that I use when it comes to marketing. And I'm going to go through that towards the end of the video as well. So this is going to be a 10-15 minute jam-packed video. If you're looking to do something on the side, I like to call it a side gig. Press One is really good. I'm going to show you multiple ways. Not get into detail because that's for my team when you join me. I'll walk through a little bit on my Facebook group and just offer you a lot. And people always say, why do you give so much? Well, because I'm a giver, number one. But I like to see people become successful. Not everybody is. Some people will get fired up and some people won't a week into it. But I'm going to give you everything that I use that helps me become successful. So if you just copy and then rinse and repeat and then 10x it, you can actually do quite well as a side gig. So stay to the very end, like and subscribe, and hit that notification, and let's get this party started. You ready? All right. Press One Cash is a really, really unique and very cool advertising platform, if you will. It comes with your own SMS number. You get credits that go with it, and you can always re-up your credits as they run low. It's like a penny a drop. And it's very good for Craigslist, because in the old days, Craigslist, we used to be able to put anything and hyperlinks, and now you get ghosted, flagged, and you get your account terminated. So I'm going to show you how to use this for Craigslist and kind of show you my responses. So we'll rock and roll and look into. By the way, this is a capture page that I use. This is one of them. I've got a few that I use, and I'll go through those on a different training. But when you join me, I'll help you get set up with Guerrilla Marketing Pro. You give me your login info, and I'll go in and I'll build the capture pages that you want. And I've got 4 or 5 to choose from already in play. So you won't have to do much work. All you need to do is join me, let me get you set up, and I'll talk to you about the bonuses in a few, okay? All right, so this is one of my capture pages that I use, and it converts pretty well. It really does. Now, here is the actual Press One Cash members duplicated site, if you will. This is where they'll go to actually join. This nice big red Join Now button, all right? This page is very simple, but at the same time, it's got so much information on it. So you're really, by the time you're contacting them back or they're contacting you, they've got a lot of information, and all you need to do is just pull them in, let them know that you're a real person and that you're here to help, and that they can join the team and get the bonuses and do what we do, and they'll get what we got. That's what the millionaires say, right? The millionaires say, copy us and do what we do, and you'll get what we got. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel. Now, if you haven't yet, I want you to call this number and test it. I want you to be able to see and experience what's going to happen when you call my number. It's going to take you to a short 45-second message. You can press 1 anytime during that or at the very end. And when you do, it's going to automatically send you my website that I choose to promote through Press One Cash. And right now I'm leaving it just promoting Press One Cash. And it works the best to do it that way. Now, there's other real estate agents and plumbers and guys like that don't really want to promote this as a side gig, but they want to have a unique new way to promote their traditional business. And this is perfect for Press One Cash. This is why we've got 35 million small businesses in America, and we've got another 50 million affiliate marketers and network marketers. So there's no shortage of people to connect with whatsoever. So let's scroll down the page, and it tells you so see how you could be making $200 a day. Now, that sometimes that's not realistic at the very beginning, but let's say this. What if it's $200 a week, right? $200 a week. We got 4 weeks in a month. That's 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Who do we appreciate? Right? That's my own rhyme. Anywho, that's $800 a week. What would that do for you and your family? Right? So when I get into a business, I automatically kind of get a dream board, things like what you see behind me. And I also have my notes up. Okay, what do I need to do? I've got 7 different businesses, and I want all of them to produce between $2,000 and $5,000 a month. But when I first started, right? When I first started, I said, okay, what's my biggest headache? My mortgage. All right, what is that? It's $1,200. That is where you should start. Now, if you only make 1 sale a month, one sale a week, that's 4. That's $800 a month. What's that going to do for you? That could pay your insurance, your car note, and maybe your electric. That can send you on a short vacation with your family. That's for you to decide, but what I'm telling you is this isn't going to make you millions of dollars. It's not going to make you $10,000 a month for a while. That's just being honest. It's only a $200 program. But because it's a low-ticket item, it gives you the ability to make a lot more sales than if it was a $500 or $1,000 program. And it works. It works because of what it is. So right here it tells you a short little cool video, and it tells you what you get. You get your SMS number, and you get your credits. You get your own website. You get back office tracking, which I'm going to go through. You get the resale rights for life, which means basically you can resell this program as often as much as you forget about it, do something else for 6 months, come back, and pick up where you left off. That's what that means. And make $200 for every single person that joins under you, plus the one-ups, which is a very powerful, I'll have to do on another video, right? It's a one-time fee of $297. That's it. One-time fee. That's pretty powerful. It tells you how it works. And then you scroll on down. And it's got really cool little short videos. You can do ringless voicemail drops. That's in our members area. Craigslist, which is where I get a lot of my leads from. Craigslist and solo ads and video for sure, right? You can read the testimonies, and you can come down here and play with this. 2 sales direct, and then 2 pass-ups. Let's just do 1 pass-up, right? And then calculate. That's pretty good, right? Weekly, $600, monthly, $2,400. That's probably could pay most of everybody watching this their bills a month. So that's really cool. Here's the page you get, all right? Everybody gets the same thing, and you get your own number that's allocated directly to you. So that's super, super cool. Let's go into my members area real quick. And here's what the back office looks like. And just when you subscribe to my channel, you can go down and look. I've got more back office walkthroughs. And when you join me, I've got complete training videos that I'll give you that really describe what everything is, how it works. This is where you put all of the ways that you get paid. I use Zelle, Google Pay, Venmo, Western Union, Love Real Cash. I've had people send me in the mail Real Cash. I need to put, oh, there's my PayPal. All right. And right here, I've got I downloaded this last week, had over 1,200 numbers. That's 1,200 cell phone leads, right? That I can promote anything I want to month after month with this. That's powerful. And then this right here is your downline. It shows you all the people that join, right? And then down here, it tells you how many credits you've got left. And 1,000, I've done this twice now, $20 in the past 6 months. It gives you 1,000 credits. It's 1 credit per ring. So, it takes a long time to go through these, but you always want to make sure you've got some in there. Don't go advertising and have 0 credits, because when they call that number and press 1, they won't get anything. The training is really good back here. We've got a good training section that walks you through how to set up your payment instructions. A complete back office walkthrough. Paul does a real good job right here going through this. And how to set up and promote your primary biz. This is a good little video. This is actually new. How to promote your primary biz, like what I was talking about. All right. And then you've got the resources tab. And this is good because what you've got right here is all the different marketing ways that you can do things. You've got the sizzle calls and videos. You've got your Press One RVM drops, postcard marketing. I always go down to here, encourage people to go down to here, and so you can click right here, and it gives you the sample ads that we've got in our members area, on the 8 or 10 of them, that you can copy and use. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you, when you join me, I'm going to add you my Facebook group that I've got where I put all my training and everything that I do, ad copy, SMS blast, and I'll add you in that. But there's my ads right here. These are my live ones, right? And it's all you'll do is you'll get these ads and you just take out my number and put yours in. It's just copy and paste. This is copy and paste, simple stuff right here, guys. It really is. For the little bit of work you can do to make the type of money that you can make is pretty phenomenal. So that's the ads. Let me go to the email list and show you kind of what it looks like from January. Here's all the people that have joined me right here. I think I counted the other day, it's 135, I think, from January 2nd. It goes just through down. That's what you'll get. That's what it looks like. Press One cash member has joined under you, and just pages of them, right? I can show you how to get pages of those too. So I just did this video, actually, just loaded this video up today. So when you subscribe and to my channel and like, it's just different videos. I go through different things. So with that being said, let me touch on the bonuses that I've got for you, because that's really important. That's really a jump start to help you get rocking and rolling. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to give you 50,000 leads. So if you decide to email them or text blast them on your own, you'll have leads that you can use. You can also give out to members that are looking at your Press One business as a benefit, as a gift, to help them make that decision to join you. What I'm going to do is add you in my Facebook group. I'm going to give you video training, walkthrough, and setup. I'm going to give you my ad copy, the business cards that I've created. Hold on a second. Like this. They're in the Facebook group. These are my little drop cards. Cool little cards. They're attention getters. And I just throw them out at gas pumps, ATM machines, things like that. They're in the Facebook group. If you join me, now I want you to text me. My info is going to be below. The link to join is going to be below. What I'm going to do is when you join and we get you activated, I'm going to automatically give you 2 weeks of SMS blast. Okay? I charge my team weekly from Sunday to Sunday to do an SMS blast, and it's between $50 and $75 depending on the days of the week and the traffic we've got coming in. There's a few different scenarios on how many I can get out each day. So I'm going to give you 2 free weeks. That's going to save you a minimum of $100 up to $150 right off the bat to drive traffic to your site. I'm going to get you set up with your capture page, and I'm going to build these capture pages for you so that you can be up and running. And you're going to have my cell phone number, and I'm going to be with you and work with you as you start to get yourselves and get fluent with what Press One is and what it can do for you. We're in July right now, and I started back in January, and I average between 22 and 28 people join me each month. I do things not unique to the industry, but I have a couple little things that I do differently, and I'll teach you that and show you some of those things. So my bonuses are for you, but what I need you to do is I need you to click the link below. Boop. All right, I need you to join, set up your account, and I need you to go ahead and text me and say, hey, I'm in. Where do you want me to send the 200 to? And I want my bonuses. And then I'm going to get your bonuses set up. We're going to get you set up that day and get you rocking and rolling so that we can get you on track to getting those 10 to 15 sales a month, okay? It's a game changer. It's a side gig. It ain't going to make you rich, but it might set you financially free just a little bit to give you some breathing room, okay? So God bless you. I look forward to